Hey, Ryan Hokinson here with you today, stopping by to talk about our number 4 power word. And so, our power word for today, number 4, is discipline. And discipline is something that's hard sometimes to apply in our lives. You know, a lot of times we're really good at doing things once, or we get excited about something and we do it. But the power of discipline comes from continually doing the right things over and over and over and over again. And sometimes it also requires us to not do certain things. So discipline to do the things that we need to do, and discipline to not do the things that we shouldn't be doing. And that sometimes is even more of a challenge than doing the things that we need to do. Sometimes it's harder to say no, and we'll talk about that more tomorrow because that's our next power word, is the word no. But for discipline, we need to really focus on, go back to the other power word, need to focus on what's important, and then we need to do it. Or we need to focus on what's important, and then we need to not do things that aren't a part of what our goal is, or what our focus is in our life. And that's what I found in a lot of ways, is that sometimes it's not so much about knowing what to do, but it's about the discipline to make sure that we're doing that, and the discipline to make sure that we're not doing everything else that really doesn't matter to us, or really that isn't important to us, for where we want our lives to go. And if we can master the art of discipline, then we can really go where we want to go. If we can't, then we're probably going to be doing other people's biddings. We're going to be doing what they want us to do for work. We're going to be doing what they want us to do in our relationships. And that's not always bad, but it will lead to that point in our lives where we feel, maybe frustrated that we didn't accomplish everything we want to accomplish. It'll bring some regret if we can't learn how to discipline ourselves. And this discipline goes even into, maybe the food we eat, so we can be healthy or not. And I know there's definitely been times in my life when I've been disciplined and been able to really succeed, and there's definitely been times when I've been undisciplined, and I look back on those times and I've learned from them, I've grown from them, but I know that I could have done more had I stayed disciplined. And so I just want to challenge you to find those things like we talked about yesterday. Find what your focus is in life, and discipline yourself. Be willing to not do things, be willing to go and do hard things. And if we can apply that discipline, if we can really learn the power of that discipline in our lives, and not only know the power of it, but then apply that power, we can really find great strength in the things that we need to do and the things that we want to do. So go out there, discipline yourself, and jump over to RyanHokinson.com if you're not watching this there. See what else is going on. Maybe discipline yourself, and share this on Facebook. Share the importance of being disciplined. And until we talk next time, go out there and live your basically awesome life.